Hi, my name is Dylan Mummy, and this is Group 4 of Iowa State University's 2013 Freshman Aerospace Engineering class. Here I am. For our final project, we had to build a vehicle that would fly through an obstacle course, with a balloon attached which would provide 80% of the lift. My group went with my design, which was the space shuttle. We called it CIS, which meant Science Space. The day of the competition, my group and I were doing some final flight checks when disaster struck. The C6 simulator, adjacent to the obstacle course, was being used, and so it was blowing out air close to one of the obstacles on the course. We were unaware of this at the time, so as our space shuttle approached the obstacle, the balloon started swaying, and then jolted to one side. We lost control of the shuttle, and the balloon popped, dropping the shuttle 15 feet. Worse yet, the shuttle crashed on top of the C6, which was another 20 feet off the ground. With 8 hours till competition, we were in trouble. 2 hours later, our professor approached us with an idea to get it down. Use an extension and a duster to sweep it off, then catch it with a tarp below. It worked perfectly, but our shuttle was in ruins. We now had 6 hours to fix it. Some of my group mates wanted to scrap the shuttle and try and build something new. I said, no, we've worked too hard to quit now. Let's fix her. Let's finish what we started. We just have to pick ourselves up from this and move forward as a team. We can do it. It was not going to be easy. It took us 3 weeks to build the original shuttle, but with teamwork, communication, leadership, and determination, 5 hours and 48 minutes later, we put the last piece on. We then went on to fly the shuttle and receive an award for aesthetics. We had people ask us, wait, I thought this was the one that crashed. We had repaired the shuttle so well, people couldn't tell it had even crashed. Through this adversity, we learned that no matter how difficult the task, with the right leadership, teamwork, and determination, we could accomplish anything. I am proud to present to you Science Space, exactly how she was, minus the electronics, when she flew in the competition. Our original wing design included an aileron, which attached here, but because it was too close to the motors, it caused turbulence, so we took them off. CIS was powered by 3 brushless motors, one on each wing, which provided lift, and one in the back, which provided thrust. We also had a servo attached here, which connected to the rudder, and that's how we steered CIS. Science Space had to be attached to a hydrogen balloon, so we rigged 3 strings so that it could be attached. Now we felt that it was only right that since CIS was a space shuttle, that it open up like a real one. So by removing this pin, Science Space opens up like a real space shuttle. This is a prime example of what can happen when a group of people get together and face the odds before them. That's what engineering is all about.